Welcome back, people. That looks beautiful. Look, it's a Pahudakawa frond, and this is the louver panel, and this is the Strol kit set panel design. You can see it's quite a thick little design. It's about 8 or 9, 10 mils. It's got this wood grain finish. You can see. And it's obviously coated with something. Go on the website, have a look. That's Strol, S-T-R-O-L. Available from, I guess, Bunnings and Mitre 10 or your big box store. And this comes with a post. There's actually 3 sides of it have a rebate in it. And depending on what you do, you can put a cover in it like this. Or you can put this little sleeve. See this little sleeve? That's a little rebated sleeve, and it just slides down from the top and it goes into the same extrusion that this one does down through the top. And that means that you can take 3 sides off, so you could have a corner if you wanted to, or you could do like what I've done here and have a gap on each side. And you can see this is the factory side that doesn't actually have a rebate in it, so only 3 sides have it. Quite a challenging little install. The reason for that is it's perfect post spacing. So if you're not used to doing perfect post spacing, maybe get a professional to do it. Also, these panels are actually designed to slot in from the top, and as you can see on this left hand panel, there was no way that we could slot it in from the top, so we actually needed to make that panel in place and then push it all together, and it took about 2 guys about half an hour to try and work that out. But if you're looking for privacy, I guess these screens are pretty cool. They've got a 900 panel and they've also got a 600 panel, so you could do 600 for 3 panels at 600, then come around the corner. And I think I'm definitely going to do this at home. I really like this slat design. It looks kind of modern. Tell me what you think about the Pahudakawa. But yeah, they've got a whole bunch of different designs like ferns and I don't know, all these really cool designs. Go and have a look online. So that's the 3 panel setup. And yeah, these top and bottom rails, they have a little L bracket inside that gets screwed. This one gets screwed this way and that one gets screwed that way. The hardest thing is getting the top straight, so we actually put a timber profile down there, put this post in first, and then we shot a level across there with a timber profile that was hanging out. And because you can't really cut the panels, if you know what I mean, if you get the post spacing wrong, so we put a profile up top and bottom, and then we put a string line for the top of the bottom rail. And there's a few critical measurements. These inserts get cut at 1770, don't quote me, look on the website. 1770, and then it all just slots all in together. So yeah, it's a pretty cool product. Let me know what you think. That's the Strol outdoor kit set panel. Pretty cool product. These are pretty thick posts. These are like 70mm posts, so they kind of look strong. It's obviously been engineered and all of the extrusions have been made to work together. So that's that one. Hope you have a great day. Catch up with you soon. Bye.